Ever wonder how you can build a stronger core and improve your overall fitness? Are you looking for a versatile exercise that can be adapted to your fitness levels and goals? Look no further than a humble plank. This simple but powerful exercise has been touted as one of the best ways to strengthen your core, improve your balance and posture, and even reduce your risk of back pain. In this video, we will dive into top benefits of plank exercises and show you how to incorporate this exercise into your workout routine. So if you are ready to take your fitness to the next level, let's get started with amazing benefits of planks. Let's start with the first benefit of plank exercises, strengthening your core. Planks are one of the most effective exercises for targeting your core muscles, including your abs, back, and hips. By strengthening these muscles, you will not only improve your overall stability and balance, but also make it easier to perform everyday activities and sports. Next, planks can help improve your posture. This exercise works by strengthening your muscles that supports your spine, which helps to prevent slouching and promotes a more upright, confident posture. This not only looks great, but also helps to prevent back pain and other posture related issues. Speaking of back pain, planks can also help to alleviate it. Strengthening your core muscles through plank exercises provides support and stability to your spine, reducing the risk of pain and injury. But the benefits don't stop there. Planks can also help to enhance your flexibility. The exercise engages a variety of muscles, including those in your shoulders, hamstrings, and even your toes. This helps to improve your overall flexibility and range of motion, making it easier to perform other exercises and everyday activities. If you're looking to boost your metabolism and lose weight, planks are a great addition to your routine. They increase your heart rate and boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories and fat. So there you have it, the top benefits of planks. Whether you're looking to build core strength, improve your overall fitness, or reduce your risk of back pain, planks are an excellent exercise to add to your workout routine. Remember, start with a basic plank and work your way up to more advanced variations as you progress. With a little practice and dedication, you will be amazed at how quickly you can improve your core strength and overall fitness with this simple but powerful exercise. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.